I found a trading strategy that profited 225% in just 100 trades, which means it's one of the best trading strategies on my channel so far. I'll leave a link in my bio. Go to the Indicators tab and type in EMA and click this one right here. But make sure you click it twice as we're going to need to. Go to the settings of one and change the length to 200 and make it blue. Then go to the settings of the other EMA and change the length to 50 and make it yellow. Next we're going to need an indicator called the trend meter. Keep the settings at default, just uncheck the signals one box. Then finally we need a volatility oscillator. Here's the strategy. First, the yellow line, the 50 EMA, must be above the blue line, the 200 EMA. Next, we need 4 green dots and 2 green lines on the trend meter. To confirm the signal, we need bullish volatility in the market, so the white line needs to be heading upwards above the upper band. If all the rules are met, enter trade. Set your stop loss at the recent swing low and you're going to exit the position once you get a red dot on the top line. So you would have exited right here.